Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my morning routine. A few days ago I posted my nighttime routine. You guys seem to really enjoy it, so I'm going to show you like my morning version of that. And I'm so excited for today's video because once again I'm partnering with Olay to show you their new foaming whipped body wash, and I just want to say that every single time that I work with Olay I have an amazing experience. So thank you to them for supporting my channel once again and for sponsoring today's video, and thank you all of you who support my channel as well. If it wasn't for you guys continuing with your support, I wouldn't get opportunities like this, so thank you guys for that. But I hope you guys are excited, and let's go ahead and jump into my morning routine. Just like many of you out there, I'm sure, I also struggle with getting up in the morning. I try to wake up around 8:30, 9 o'clock. Sometimes I sleep in a little bit more, but usually when I wake up, I open up the blinds, try to get Chris to wake up. Sometimes it doesn't work, so what I do is I go grab Toby, and he usually does the job for me. Once we're both up, I head to the bathroom to start off my day, and I don't fully wash my face in the morning because I'm gonna have to work out, and I like to wash my face in the shower after my workout. So I just splash some water on my face to wake myself up, and then I tap it all off, and that usually does it for that. I also like to change into my gym clothes first thing in the morning. That way there's no excuse for not going to the gym. If I'm already dressed and I have my shoes on and everything, that just mentally prepares me for the gym, and it also mentally prepares me to just get my day started overall. Then I head to the kitchen and I put on some music. I love listening to some R&B in the morning. It kind of gets me going while I make my iced coffee and my breakfast. For breakfast this morning, I'm having avocado toast with eggs. So I'm just boiling the eggs here and getting started with the avocado. By this time, Toby is up and awake and super hyper, so I like to play ball with him. He loves playing ball. He'll just grab the ball and stand right next to us, and he'll just stand there until we start to play with him. So I play with him for a little while till he gets tired, and then I head over to my laptop to answer some emails, answer some comments, edit, do whatever I have to do for work that morning. And of course, while I'm doing this, I'm sipping on my iced coffee. All right, now my eggs are done. So I take them out and I start taking the shell off of the eggs. Very self-explanatory. You guys know how avocado toast goes. Just cut up the eggs, toast up the bread, put on the avocado. You can also throw some pepper on there like I do, and that's it. Now that I'm done with breakfast, I go ahead and brush my teeth. I don't like brushing my teeth before breakfast. I don't think that makes any sense. So I just brush my teeth and then I head out to the gym. I do already have a workout routine here on my channel. I'll go ahead and link it on the right-hand corner so you guys can head over and watch. And I'll also put it below in the description box. Once I'm back from my workout, I try to just jump right into the shower. I don't like lingering around because I'm hot and sweaty and gross, so I'll just go straight to the bathroom. While I was in the shower today, I tried out the new Olay Foaming Whip Body Wash. I tried the white strawberry because I love anything strawberry, hence why I love fresas con crema, but that's besides the point. I was really impressed and pleasantly surprised with how thick this product is. It is not watery and it doesn't dissolve super quickly. A lot of body washes do that. And what I really like about it is although this product is only $4.99, it feels very thick, very creamy, very luxurious, but it does not have a heavy residue and it leaves your skin feeling super soft and clean. I also love using my body washes when I shave. So since I really enjoyed this one, I thought I would also use it to shave my arms. Now that our skin is nice and soft, we can move on to cleansing our face. And I'm just using my favorite cleanser with my cleansing sponge. I absolutely love the feeling of being super refreshed and clean after a really good workout. It just makes me feel a lot more awake and ready to get my day started. From there, I do my skincare. I have all my skincare products in my nighttime routine, which is going to be listed down below, but I pretty much use all those same products. To finish off getting ready, I'll put some dry shampoo in my hair if I'm like on day 3, 4, and then I'll do my makeup, curl my hair, whatever I gotta do to finish everything off. Today I'm not doing much, so I kept this part very minimal, but that is my morning routine and I hope you guys enjoyed.